Here are 19 intriguing facts about woodpeckers that might surprise you. 1. Tool users. Some woodpeckers use tools, such as sticks or twigs, to extract insects from crevices that their beaks can't reach. 2. Tongue length. Woodpeckers have long tongues with barbed tips that they can extend to capture insects deep within tree bark. 3. Shock absorption. Woodpeckers have special adaptations to prevent brain injury while drumming on trees, including a thick skull, strong neck muscles, and shock-absorbing tissues between the beak and skull. 4. Unique drumming patterns. Each woodpecker species has its own distinctive drumming pattern, which they use to communicate with other woodpeckers and establish territories. 5. Ancient origins. Fossil records indicate that woodpeckers have been around for millions of years, with some species dating back to the Miocene epoch. 6. Tree cavity nesting. Many woodpecker species excavate cavities in trees for nesting, creating homes not only for themselves but also for other cavity nesting birds and mammals. 7. Feeding adaptations. Woodpeckers have specialized tongues with barbs and sticky saliva to help extract insects from crevices in wood. 8. Mating displays. During courtship, male woodpeckers often perform elaborate drumming and calling displays to attract females. 9. Hearing acuity. Woodpeckers have excellent hearing, which helps them locate insects crawling beneath the bark of trees. 10. Migration patterns. While some woodpecker species are sedentary, many others undertake seasonal migrations to find food and suitable nesting sites. 11. Social structure. Woodpeckers are generally solitary birds outside of the breeding season, although they may form loose foraging flocks in winter. 12. Woodpecker symbiosis. Some woodpecker species exhibit symbiotic relationships with other animals, such as sharing nesting holes with small mammals or benefiting from the presence of ants attracted to sap flows. 13. Drumming frequencies. The frequency at which woodpeckers drum varies depending on species, with some drumming as slowly as 10 beats per minute and others as rapidly as 40 beats per second. 14. Feeding preferences. While woodpeckers are known for their wood-boring habits, they also consume other foods such as fruits, nuts, and seeds. 15. Head movement. Woodpeckers have the ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, which helps them navigate and search for prey in all directions. 16. Nest defense. Woodpeckers fiercely defend their nesting cavities from potential predators and competitors, often engaging in aggressive displays and vocalizations. 17. Global distribution. Woodpeckers are found on every continent except Antarctica, with the greatest diversity of species occurring in tropical rainforests. 18. Species diversity. There are over 200 species of woodpeckers worldwide, ranging in size from the tiny piculets to the large and powerful imperial woodpecker. 19. Conservation concerns. Habitat loss, deforestation, and climate change pose significant threats to woodpecker populations around the world, leading to declines in some species and local extinctions in others.